Welcome to the Microsoft Tip Showcase, where we provide quick single-topic videos on how to do something within a Microsoft 365 related tools such as SharePoint, Dynamics, Office, etc. Microsoft 365 provides you access to Excel, and in this tip we're going to teach you how to sort by rows or horizontally across your data set. Let's go ahead and go to our spreadsheet. And inside of this spreadsheet, we're used to typical sorting where it's up and down. I might sort like this. I might sort by state, as you can see in this column. I might even do something as fancy as sorting by a custom sort, where I sort by state and then I sort by city. I've shown you this in other videos where you can see that the state's all the same. Now these are the same. But what if you want to display the row headers in a different way, or the columns in a different way? The way you do that is you just select your data and you come to the Data tab. Under the Sort and Filter, you have Sort. If you click on that icon, you'll see the sort that we did there, but you can also come over here to Options and say I want to sort left and right. So I came into the Sort button, click on the Options, and say Sort left to right. And when I do that, it then asks me, let me go ahead and delete a level so you're just looking at one. Then it says, what row do you want to sort on? And I want to sort on row 1 where the headers are. I want to sort by that. And then I want to sort by the values, and I want to do A to Z. So theoretically the address will be the first thing I see. Let's go ahead and hit OK. And watch the headers here, name, address, city, state, and zip. They now become address, city, name, state, and zip. Now for an organization, that might not be something you really want to do, but or for addresses, you might not want to do that. Ironically, in this case, it's all alphabetical, right? Address, city, and state, and zip. But you might have different data set that you want to do that, where you sort your columns alphabetically, going across horizontally. So let me just show you one more time. I'm going to come up to the Data tab, click on it, and open the Data ribbon into the Sort and Filter command group. In here, I'm going to click on the Sort icon. When I'm in here, and let me go ahead and just clear my sort really quick. Let me back up a little bit. Come back in here to the sort. You see there's no sort, so now I can say I want to sort left to right. Hit OK. Say sort by row 1 because that's the one that has our headers, and then hit OK. And you've now sorted A through Z, ironically. So that concludes this lesson on how to sort horizontally. I hope you found the tip useful as you continue to use Microsoft 365 related products in support of your day-to-day job. Please provide me with feedback in the comments, including suggestions for tips you'd like to see. If you found this tip helpful, please share it with others on one of your social media platforms, or just give it a thumbs up. I'm your host, Neil McDonald with SV MacPack. I thank you for joining me today and hope you'll join us again for other tips.